Once upon a time, in a quiet forest, lived a hedgehog named Hector and a tortoise named Tilly. Hector was known for his spiky armor, while Tilly was slow but wise. One day, a cunning fox named Felix decided to make a meal out of Hector. Seeing this, Tilly approached Hector and offered her help. Hector, confident in his spikes, refused, believing he didn't need anyone's help. Felix, seizing the opportunity, managed to catch Hector off guard and caused him significant harm. Hector, in pain, regretted his arrogance and wished he had accepted Tilly's offer. Tilly, who had been observing, gently approached Hector. She explained, "Hector, you have a defense mechanism, but it only works when you are aware and prepared. You were caught off guard because you underestimated your enemy." Hector, realizing his mistake, asked Tilly for advice on how to improve his defense. Tilly suggested, "You see, Hector, my defense is not physical but strategic. I am slow and steady, which makes it harder for predators to catch me. Learn from me, and use your speed to your advantage." Hector, grateful for Tilly's wisdom, began to adopt Tilly's slow and steady approach. He learned that defense mechanisms do not always have to be physical. Sometimes, they can be strategic as well. From that day forward, Hector and Tilly became the best of friends, always looking out for each other. They taught other animals in the forest the importance of having a defense mechanism, whether it's physical or strategic, and the value of humility and cooperation. And so, the forest was a safer place, with all the animals learning from one another, reminding us that we too can learn and grow by listening, learning, and collaborating with others. Each one, teaching one, making the world a better place for all.